this one is a bit different because it's not about files, but web analysis. So specifically, SVG files are being used in phishing campaigns. And these became pretty popular toward the end of last year. And we've given this behavior a VTI score 3 out of 5. And just a bit around how it works. So it starts with an SVG file attached to the email that has JavaScript code inside it. So this code is used to make web requests. And when you open it, you will see a blurry Excel PNG image and a phishing form, for example, asking for credentials. And one of the actually not so interesting tricks is that the email address on the form is hard-coded. And based on that email, actually the logo in the top right corner changes dynamically. So this is kind of the magic coming with, again, JavaScript. And this happens because they are using a logo API from Clearbit, which is a marketing platform. Now, we have a specific VTI for this one. So that's the summary. Patrick, do you have any thoughts, anything to share around this?
Yeah, maybe there's one thing you have mentioned, that they are actually dynamically adjusting this logo. And this is something that we have seen, well, now already quite a while, but I think it's also getting more and more popular that they are really trying to present some sort of branding information that is already really directed towards the target, right? So for example, if you put in here your email address from VMRay, you will likely also see the VMRay logo that's being loaded here, right? And I believe this is very, very dangerous. Maybe not explicitly for this here, well, even though it's already risky, but especially if it comes to the logon form for Microsoft, right? Microsoft also, and I guess all companies usually know that, they're using branding information, right? So if you log into Microsoft Office 365, you put in your email address, you will get this branded big background image that is loaded. And this information, unfortunately, I would even say, is also usually available to threat actors or to phishing actors in that case. So they can basically try to take the email address, try to query some APIs that are being exposed by Microsoft, and then they're essentially really loading this complete branding mask for your email address. And I really believe that this is very risky, because that really, at least to me, it often feels like it's just trying to get trust from the user that is essentially entering the email address. And from my point of view, even worse than this one here, where I see an Excel document or an Excel background, right? Just seeing the legitimate Microsoft logon page with your branding information, even though that's a phishing page, I believe this is really, really risking and something that we have to watch out for.